Today we're going to be making my version of a meat sauce. Alright, so with this recipe we're going to start with the base, and so that comprises of onions, eggplants, carrots, garlic, chili pepper, and bell peppers. I forgot the last one. So pretty much what we're going to do first is we're going to chop them up. Once they're all chopped up, not too fine because they're going to go in a blender anyway, and just blend them up, and this is what you'll end up with. So what we want to do is we want to kind of get these ingredients to know each other a little bit. And so we're going to put them on a medium-low heat in a pot, heavy bottom pot, for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do that. So we kind of want it to be not too hot, the pot. We don't want the pot to be too hot, so we're just going to get started and put it in right away. Make sure you get everything. And this is kind of in an effort to reduce the water content in here, and also for some of the ingredients to get to know each other a little bit. And as you can see, it's starting to come up. We don't want it too high. We're going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to reduce a little bit. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back with a weird new camera angle. As you can see, the sauce has pretty much reduced. Not the sauce, I should say. The base has reduced. And we're going to be ready to add some meat into this thing. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so while I'm waiting for my cast iron pan to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce to the base that we have right now. I've already salted it, but I'm also going to season it with some Italian seasoning, cumin, coriander, and paprika. So let's go ahead with the tomato sauce. Now normally I would add some tomato paste as well, but unfortunately I don't have any on hand. So I'm just going to add this in, and I'm also going to add the spices. And today I have 80-20 ground beef, and that's what we're going to be using for the meat sauce. I grind mine at home, but I know it's not always possible. So whatever you have is good, I think. We'll give this a mix. And we're also going to add some freshly ground black pepper. All right, so we're going to add some oil to the pan. And what I like to do is just form the ground beef into little balls and just toss them in. So we'll stir them off for a few minutes, and then we'll toss them straight into the sauce. When I ground up this meat, we did it on the high die. so the meat's a bit thicker, which will make a really nice meaty sauce. Alright, so our sauce is looking good. We're gonna give it a mix and let it go for about 2 hours on a low, medium-low heat. It's gonna really mix in the flavors really well, and also that tomato sauce is going to sweeten up a bit, so that'll be good. We'll see you in 2.5 hours. Peace! Alright guys, so we are now an hour and 50 minutes in, and the sauce is looking really good, really rich. It's thickened up quite a bit, which is great. We're gonna have a great finished product. So what you'll want to remember is you want to add some milk once it's almost finished. So I'd say about 40 to 30 minutes remaining. Go ahead and add some milk, and so we'll do that now. It'll add a lot of richness to the sauce, and it's going to add a little bit of creaminess as well. So let's give that a mix, and in about 40 minutes we're going to go ahead, finish it with some butter, and the sauce will be all set. So we'll see you guys. Peace! Alright, let's have a taste.